What is going on, everybody? Vitai Dobin is here, and welcome to another episode of today's In Crypto Show. Bitcoin is going upwards. The crypto markets are going up exactly as we have predicted, and we have so many amazing news to discuss for Bitcoin. I'm going to share with you a couple amazing altcoin projects that you need to be looking out for, and we'll talk about the Animal Farm, which is still have over $305 million TVL, producing amazing profits every single day. And we, of course, will talk about the Bitcoin price. Let's get started. We have a lot to discuss. So overall, the market is up 0.6%, $2.07 trillion, and the market is not fearful anymore. When the market was in extreme fear, fear does not stay at this level forever. It's going to come times when the market will be greedy again. Right now, we're kind of neutral in the beginning, and I was talking about buying when the market is fearful. There is extreme selling going on. When too many people selling, too many people afraid, that's where a good time to entry. And a lot of these coins, right? Ethereum went down to $2,100, now gained $1,000. Binance coin gained 11% this week. You can see the coins 37% for Ripple. I mean, pretty much the entire market is in the green. Shiba Inu 47%, right? It's rebounding. It's been suppressed for too long. And looking at the charts, we definitely see amazing momentum for the bulls that are gearing up right now. We have pretty much got into this resistance, $45,000 into this box. And what we do need to see on a weekly is closing above this box, this $46,000, $47,000 area. Having a weekly close above will definitely have a huge momentum for Bitcoin going to the upside. But things are looking good. Looking on the stochastic RSI, we're getting on a positive momentum right now. We're almost confirming that signals. And I told you guys for weeks and weeks right now that we have not created a lower low on monthly. We're still bullish on monthly charts. Looking at the candles, just reading the candles, it's this whole area for the entire last year was an area of kind of consolidation between $30,000 and $60,000 levels, and now finally we're having a look at the signs for, just like we have discussed before, a violent rally in February, right? Things are looking good. If we close the months above this box, right, above $47,000 and create a monthly candle, which is a bullish engulfing candle, if that's going to happen this month of February, then we are off to the moon and create new all-time highs. So we'll see how this month is going to turn out. And looking at Wells Fargo is saying cryptos like internet in late 90s nearing hyper adoption phase. And you can see right here the exponentiality of users coming into the internet space. It started slowly, but gradually pick up, right? We are in the very beginning for the crypto users, because think about how many more millions and millions of people are going to come in the next decade to use crypto. I mean, billions of people. The Web 3.0 is just in the beginning phases, and we see so much adoption happening across the space. This is literally just the beginning. So you have not missed out yet. The next 10 years are going to be absolutely huge. Bitcoin Lightning Network goes live on Cash App, which means that users of Cash Apps can now send free Bitcoin to their friends and family, and a free way to pay anyone Bitcoin. Absolutely amazing development for Bitcoin. Another company, KPMG Canada, adds crypto to its balance sheet. Another huge company, accounting firm. Essentially, they're adding Bitcoin on its balance sheet, just like Michael Saylor is preaching to all the corporations out there. So we just don't hear about it every day on the news, but it's happening. It's absolutely happening. Polygon, which is de facto right now Ethereum 2.0, before Ethereum 2.0 is out, is raising $450 million in new capital, onboarding new users. A lot of good things are happening on Polygon, and the transaction fees are absolutely cheap. So that's definitely a coin to look for. Bitcoin balance on exchanges just hit a 3 years low, guys, which means the whales are buying, they're taking Bitcoin out of the exchanges. And looking at Tesla, this month, this day is exactly the day where Tesla held, actually bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, according to its filings, right? And it's doing pretty good. Tesla's Bitcoin strategy is working. The annual report suggests it's been 1 year after they bought $1.5 billion, and right now they are in profit. They are in pretty good profit, right? Everybody, market knows that Michael Saylor average price and Elon Musk average price of Bitcoin buying was around $31,000, right? So the market knows that and priced that in. They didn't allow it to go below $30,000. So we'll see. It's too early to really celebrate just yet, because we might see what's called a dead cat bounce when the Bitcoin market recovers and then it goes back. We might even come back to retest this area right here. Okay, this previous resistance now turn into support. We'll see, but that's the next area that we definitely need to overcome for the bulls, which is the $46,000 area. The Bitcoin liquidations are right now more looking to favor the bulls, and the bears are getting liquidated right now. The market is pumping, and more capital is flowing to DeFi. As you can see, continues to go up for different DeFi protocols, over 10% in a week. That it is being absolutely amazing growth for the DeFi protocols. And look how many more Indians are going to go to crypto, right? 82% of Indians surveyed plan to invest in crypto once government provides regulatory clarity, and it's going to happen very soon. So there is a lot of Indians that are sitting on the sidelines because of this not clarity from the government. But as soon as they're going to start taxing and having guidelines, a lot of Indians are going to come in. And also Bitcoin is coming to hundreds of US banks this year, according to New York Digital Investment Group. Just one by one, those US banks are going to adopt Bitcoin, adopt crypto, which is really amazing, guys, to see. Now, one project I want you to pay attention to is Cadena. It's in the beginning stages, but it's doing great things. They just started, and the main thing is that they are creating their DEX and exchange and transactions with built with scalability and with absolutely zero gas cost. You know, gas cost is pretty big thing, and gas-free transactions are going to revolutionize the Web 3.0. The next wave of DeFi will see users utilizing L2 chains, interacting freely or at near zero cost with newer DeFi applications, right? And Cadena is building a DEX like this to really allow for transactions on DeFi to be zero. Gas-free transactions. So the building a future on Cadena. So you know, there's one project, Bakeley Token Matrix, that has launched its token on the Cadena blockchain. So they built a specific blockchain, a unique blockchain for that. So just like Solana, you know, Cadena has the potential to you know, 50x from where it is right now, maybe even more. It went as high as $26, now back to $5, and now it's trading about 7 or something like that. I do hold a bag of Cadena, and I'm waiting for it, you know, for the long term to appreciate in value. Now Cardano, it's not Cadena, but Cardano adds over 9,000 wallets on average every single day in 2022. That's a huge growth for Cardano. So we might see when finally they're going to solve the scalability issues. They have a huge community, supportive community, which is very important. And those smart contracts are just in the beginning phases of Cardano. So it's definitely another coin to pay attention to what's going on. Now, different meme tokens, you know, like Spooky Shiba, for example. I know a lot of people are because of the success of Shiba Inu, They are looking for those meme tokens. They want to invest in meme tokens because they think it's going to definitely replicate what Shiba Inu has been doing, and it's not the case, right? Looking at Spooky Shiba, you might be, if you're buying, you might be, a month sitting on a bag of coins that is actually falling in value. Like that was a 70% correction over here, just in the last months alone, on a coin like Spooky Shiba, right? So do not listen to everyone, and definitely, people are taking chances. You can see by the holders, 24,000 holders. People are searching for the gold, and they want to find it in the meme tokens. Just be careful. These type of projects are extremely risky, so be willing to lose some of the capital when you invest in meme tokens, because it's more like a lottery. It's going to go well or not go well. Like this, in this case, it's actually a play to earn game, the Spooky Shiba. So we'll see. Yeah, and looking at those total supplies, I mean, it's ridiculous, right? It's ridiculous. Too many zeros that people can count and comprehend those numbers. Terra 6 backing from Real Vision, from Raul Paul Group founders. And Terra also is a great coin, was a great ecosystem that saw tremendous growth in the past year. The Terra Luna protocol, $56 right now. We'll see how it goes. Reddit right now tests allowing users to set any NFTs as their profile picture, exactly as Twitter is doing right now. So those are in full testing mode right now. And yeah, let's talk about the animal farm a little bit. The animal farm is in the very beginning stages. It has $303 million total value locked, which is a lot of capital that is locked in 26 farms and pools on the animal farm website. And you can see how much is the APR on these farms. Like for example, this dogs BUSD farm, and you can use this tool. It's right now providing 694% APR, and this one 795% APR. So this is pretty good, pretty big APRs that attracts a lot of capital, and the prices are still below the pre-sale price for the most part in the for the most of the users right now for the dogs and pigs. So it's not too late to get in for those who missed out on the pre-sale prices. It's actually a pretty good timing to get in if you do your own research to provide liquidity and all this stuff. I have on my YouTube channel more explanation about how it works and how it can provide liquidity and generate some sweet staking rewards in both pigs and dogs in the animal farm. And of course, watch out tutorials for Drip, which is the #1 DeFi platform on all Binance Smart Chain, when you can enjoy and generate daily rewards, daily staking rewards on the Drip network. Has been growing an amazing pace. You can see right here the analytics. We've been adding about 30,000 new accounts in January, and we are on track to overpace that in the months of February. So it starts to go parabolic in the new accounts and the new adoptions, and a lot of cool stuff is happening. So you can watch different tutorials and videos that I have on my channel to learn more about how you can stake Drip and enjoy at least 260% APR after tax with the Drip network, and you can actually do much more than that if you use the compounding. So that's what I want to share with you today. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next episode of Today's in Crypto Show. Put up the like, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date to what is going on in the crypto space, and I'll see you in the next episode.